Hey you guys, so I literally just woke up from a nap and I'm hungry and I was about to go pick up Marla, but I decided that I should film that Q&A that I promised you guys for like the longest time. I'm having a stub, trying to find my napkin. Can't find it. So guys, I had a migraine, hence why I was taking a nap. So if I look kind of out of it, my head was hurting. I don't know, the migraine was pretty terrible. Pepsi. Water. So this video has been outstanding for so goddamn long. I am going to be filming my Q&A and I have to get this out of the way, guys. Like seriously, this has been over my head for the longest time because I promised you guys that video from mad long ago and I was not able to deliver, and I hate promising you guys stuff and not doing it, especially when I want you guys to interact with me more. So today I'm going to be answering your questions that you guys asked me under a couple of my videos that I asked you to ask me the questions under. Guys, don't forget, show me some love by giving me a thumbs up and also hitting that subscribe button before we get too far into the video.
Perfect.
Alright, so under the video that I put a Q&A on, some of them were just comments, but you know I can go through them the same way. My girl Kinky Coco said, from me here the scoops there, my know say you're goodie. Big up yourself, goods. You don't know you have to scoops, you know, make sure the clothes them clean and thing. Yeah. Artie Gang says she's an underrated tuber. She actually stay consistent. Thank you so much. And there are like a couple people under that way agree with him. The Wi-Fi connection is so weak out here, guys. My girl Janelle Stone say I think so too. Samaria says I agree, very slept on. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Okay, Juvenile Enhance said them legs they got me watching. Stop it. Sisters TV says you are so talented. If I was in Jamaica, I swear you'd get all my money. Love your protective styles. Big up yourself, Toya. Thank you so much, boo. Sashi the Dream Chaser Island Girl say it's been a while since I've watched one of your vlogs. Big up yourself, mama. Don't know. Simply Jen says I love your vlogs. I miss seeing life in Jamaica. Thanks for sharing. Keep the videos coming. I definitely will. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Let me just interject right quick. I want to post more than I actually post. It's just real life is time consuming. Real life keep you busy. Real life gets in the way a lot of times with what you actually want to put out. Because if it was up to me, I put out a video every single day, but I'm tired most of the time. I just can't do it. Yeah, but I have content backed up from last year that I know you guys really want to see. Marla's birthday vlog, all them little thing there, and it's just for me to get time to edit them. My laptops are not cooperating because I buy a laptop now. I bought a MacBook, but it's not very interactive as a device. And everything you have to buy, and that kind of irritates me. I just wanted a good quality laptop and I got that one, and you know, I still have to work around it. So I don't know, I just feel like everything takes time, you know the matter. Yeah. Alright, back to it. Ornella D says new subscriber, Lyric recommended you. Y'all already know I'm a love Lyric already, you don't know that. Thank you so much for coming over, Ornella. Tiona Vlog says hi beautiful sis, blessings, awesome vlog, beautiful. Thank you, beautiful. Thank you so much. My girl Christiana says just love spicy food too, lol. Happy birthday when it comes to Marla. Thank you so much. You guys don't even get to like say happy birthday under the birthday vlog. It's next year, so they're supposed to know that was like a good minute. But thank you so much, babe. My girl Destiny Moy says may God bless you. Thank you so much, queen. Andrew Nelson, I also enjoy your videos. Are you back in school this semester? Alright, babe, thanks so much. First of all, am I back in school this semester? No, I'm not. I started a different program. If you know, you guys know I was going to UTech. I was doing my BBA in marketing, marketing major, international business minor. I'm a couple credits short of that bachelor's degree, guys, and I really don't know when I'm going back. It's just a lot to deal with. UTech is annoying as hell. I really don't know when I'm going back to just finish out that little thing there. I did started studying skincare and makeup artistry at DeMarie. You guys will see the vlogs after this Q&A. I think I finished that. I'm supposed to submit my portfolio for everything to be sealed off with that. That's what I'm waiting to do. So it's all up to me at this point in time, but that is done. It was an 8-week course. It was awesome. It's done. It's freaking awesome. I think I should just do like a separate video on doing that course, and that will be coming later on. But yeah, definitely not enrolled in UTech this semester. Hell no. No. Alright, Joanna Spencer, heart queen, thanks for watching. Okay, my girl DD Brown. Now D comments under like basically every single video I put out. There are some of you guys that I feel like y'all are just like family to me. Like me know from somewhere. Literally, like everything just feels so personal. Dee says, wish more would watch your channel. You are so talented. Thank you so much, babe. My girl Christiana says, I love cooking vids with Toya. She commented up top too. Joanna Spencer says, have you ever been to St. Elizabeth? Yes, I have. Actually, my grandma, she just passed yesterday. She's from St. Elizabeth. So that's where we'll be going back to lay her to rest. And that's where my grandma's side of family from. That's my mother's mom. She's originally from St. Elizabeth. So yeah, I've been to St. Elizabeth. Didi Brown says, have you ever tried modeling? No, I haven't. It's something that I have thought about though a lot. When I was younger, it was something I actually wanted to do, but to be honest, I wasn't really confident in myself. Now though, confidence sky high. And I do feel as though it's something that I could do, but you know, like it's at this point in time, it's not really my cup of tea. I like doing my own thing and modeling for like my brand and stuff that I put out. So yeah, you know, if my friends have stuff and they want me to promote it for them, I'll model it for them and so. But yeah, I've never tried modeling like on the professional side of things. Didi also says, are you the oldest siblings? I'm the older sibling, yeah, because it's only 2 of us. My younger brother is 2020, he'll be 20 this year. How long did you live in the United States and what state? Okay, so I've never lived in the States. I've always just visited the States, you know, like summer holidays and stuff because I have family there, but I've never lived in the States ever. To be honest, it's something that I am considering. I'm considering living somewhere else, you know. But yeah, I've never lived in the States. Chris Walcott says, she's so cute. Thank you so much, Chris. Coco Johnson, what's your advice for someone that wants to do YouTube? My advice for someone that wants to do YouTube. Yo, I've been in here a mad minute. Okay, my advice for someone who wants to do YouTube. Where to start? It's so much. And I think somebody DM'd me this on Instagram and I answered it on Instagram, but I was like, you know, I really do need to answer it in a video. So I'm glad she asked this question. Alright, my advice, it's so much, because I would want to give you the advice in a way where you do a lot of things differently from I did, so you can reach further faster. First things first, because doing YouTube, I kind of had to figure it out as I went along instead of it being something that I planned to do and, you know, I executed it as though I planned it, because I didn't plan it. I just, you know, freestyled it. So YouTube, I started doing YouTube in 2012 when I was enrolled in university, my first year. And at the time, I really didn't know where I was going with my channel. I know I wanted to make hair videos. So that's what I started out doing. I started doing hair and anything beauty related, like nails and stuff. And I was just all over the place. So my first advice would be research. Do your research. Know what it is that you want to bring to people so that when you have your audience, they'll know exactly what to come to your channel for. For me, I personally hope know someone come on my channel for literally anything. Like, you come to my channel for me being myself. And I've tried to remain authentic, and that's one thing that you have to do. Remain authentic, because believe me, people can spot fake over the camera, and it's annoying as hell. So I'm gonna try my best for being myself. Like, you will come here and find nothing but me. So if you come at any point and check out a video and you don't like it, that's you not liking a part of me. You understand what I'm saying? So definitely do your research, know what it is you want your channel to be about, write things down because it's going to help you. What else? Be authentic, and be trending. It goes right back to research. You have to do the research to figure out what it is people want to see. You can't get up and keep carrying things to people that they don't want to see. One thing I realized with you guys, as much as I would love to make makeup videos all the time, I don't really want to see makeup videos like that. My vlogs get way more views, and at one point I was thinking of starting a vlog channel to separate the two, but I just personally think it's too much to handle. So when you're gonna go into YouTube, try your best not to be all over the place. You have to be able to interact and give your attention back and just remain real. It really is just all about that, just doing your research and bringing content to people that they want to actually see. That's it. It's not hard. You just have to remain real and true, and it has to be something that you're passionate about. If not, you're gonna be lazy about it and you're not gonna come across authentic, no matter how you try. So yeah, that's my advice. In a nutshell, that's my advice. Okay, so my girl Coco Johnson says, feel like your head hot, but how you always stay as calm as you are and humble. That comment here kill me. But I like to consider my head very hot. And it's so funny you can get that through the camera, you know. But I'm just not the kind of person who, I don't know, I personally feel like the humility, the humble side of me is genes. I literally feel like it embedded in me. And if anybody has my number and they see my WhatsApp statuses and stuff that on all platforms, I just remain myself. And me is just a naturally humble person. A lot of times person meet me in real life and you know, I'm a goof. That's just me. You know. I don't know, like remaining humble is just a thing that I've always done. Even when you have growns for hype, you just remain humble because it's just a part of my nature. I wouldn't want to be any other way, you know them way there? But I'm the type of person, if you cross me the wrong way, bro, like, bro, you see me? But I'm a pretty humble chick. I'm a pretty humble chick. I appreciate you seeing that in the Coco. I don't know you're a real G. But yeah, I'm pretty humble. My head out when I'm ready, but it's just all about composure. You just have to know to just keep yourself together. Because I think a lot of times persons that hype up themselves, they don't really have shit for back all of that. You know, it's just gas. So it's like when you remain on a level and you're calm, it's way more dangerous. You understand? Yeah, it's like that. My girl Deborah K04 says, hey Toya babes, nice. I like the washing outside, real Jamaican style. Marla with the spicy chips, she not easy at all. Keep the vlogs coming, I enjoy them. Yeah mama, I will definitely keep the vlogs coming. My girl Vanessa Maria say, hey, where are you guys doing swim lessons? If you don't mind me asking, I have been trying for the longest time to find somewhere in Clarendon that does it. Okay, so we do swimming at the Goldfish Club in Old Harbour. That's where we do swimming. I think I ended up answering this question in another video, in the end of a vlog. Yeah, in the end of, I think, my last vlog, I ended up answering this question, but I want to answer it in the Q&A too. So if you're in like St. Catherine, Clarendon area, like the Goldfish Club, very, very good swimming pool, good size, the instructors are nice and everything, so you'll like it there. Alright, Coco says, why not do some more collabs to boost your subbies since you want to get that play button? Coco, I want to tell you that it's something that I plan to do in 2020. So in posting this video, this is also a chime. I'm looking for persons to collab with. If you want to collab with me, just drop me a comment and say I want to collab, right? And put a red heart emoji beside it. Say I want to collab heart, because I want to do a huge collaboration this year, like at least one good collab or several different ones, you know. That would be really good, because I want to get the collabs going again. I think you network more, which is also an advice if you want to start a channel. Network. I left out that one. Networking. You have to network. You have to interact with other people who want to do what you're doing. So that's also one thing. It's going to take you further. But yeah, I wanted to do a lot more networking this year because it's very helpful. It helps your channel. It helps you to grow. It helps all your social media platforms. Because I swear, a lot of times, especially through lyric and stuff, people learn about you through other people. So that's how networking drops in, you know. So yeah, Coco, I definitely wanted that. So I'm hopping over to the Instagram questions now. My girl Didi Sadler 123 says, what is your favorite skincare product? My favorite skincare product without a doubt would have to be the St. Ives apricot scrub. I know you guys have been asking for the skincare routine for the longest time. I do plan to bring it to you. It's coming soon. It's definitely coming soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna figure out, because the truth is I don't really have an actual routine. It's just me doing stuff that, like, simple shit, like nothing extravagant, I swear, I promise. But I'm gonna try to put it together and turn it into a video for you guys soon. But yeah, that's my favorite skincare product, the St. Ives apricot scrub. It comes in different types. I think the one I use is, I don't remember what name, you know. They're different ones. If I can find a picture of it, I'll put it in here. Okay, so my baby Raven _ Tani says, what inspired you to start your own faux locks brand, and do you plan on traveling abroad anytime soon? I definitely plan on traveling abroad anytime soon. I'm thinking of summer of 2020. Drop your state below if you'd like me to come and do your hair. I'm trying to work around it, you know, guys, because I really would like to leave for at least 2 weeks, just travel, you know, and just do hair for sometime in the summer. Yeah, I think that would be so cool. What inspired me? Okay, so the inspiration behind Natural Glam Locks really came from this one time. Okay, guys, you remember this one time Aishana did having some blonde locks, right? I don't know where girl they get them from. Some blonde locks, but they were long, they were cute, they were like, I was thinking to myself, everybody always do the faux locks, like the wraparound one. I'm thinking there must be a way to get the look without doing that, like, you know what I mean? So I saw it and instantly I was inspired, right? The inspiration behind Natural Glam Locks, the whole faux lock idea came from the Aishana thing. The inspiration behind Natural Glam Locks was from Marla's dad. He has locks and his locks are so gorgeous, but the way him locks them for him is like, because it mixed, so it's like it locks them form, it just form neat. So it inspired me, and I wanted, if I ever wanted locks, I want them to look like that. So they're textured, they don't even look like locks at first, but them just have the lock look. And these I'm bringing to you guys soon. These have way more texture, but of course I'm gonna have to adjust the prices and all them things there. But he is really the inspiration behind the Natural Glam Locks. But starting the whole brand, I did it once and I put it on, I wear it somewhere, and then somebody see it and like it, and then from there it was history. The rest was history. So that is how I started the whole Natural Glam Lock thing, and then different variations came in play when I keep seeing different types of locks, and I just keep getting inspired, and you know, it just spin all the way out of control. But I mean, like 2020 sis, 2020 is about to be lit. I'm about to unleash some stuff on y'all. Y'all ain't ready, okay? So yeah, Raven, that's how that came about. My guy Drama _ King, check out him channel, guys. He's coming. He's an upcoming YouTuber. We're living in the same community. I know him from him little, so yes, support him. Okay, so he's like, how did you tell your parents you're pregnant? Okay, so I answered this in my pregnancy announcement video, but it was very, very bizarre the way I'm gonna tell them. Totally unplanned. Said everything happened like it catch me off guard. So I'm gonna link the video down below so that I don't need to explain it all again. But long and short of it, I bought food, right? Buy food, can I come give my mother? And I just basically, I had to just say it. Like there was no easy way for come and say you're pregnant when nobody not expect you for pregnant. You know them way there. There is no easy way to drop that pill on somebody, on your parents, you know. So I told her, and she was like, "Yo, like, man, go tell your father that's your responsibility." And I lingered for a good week and a half, at least 2 weeks, I think. I lingered, but I just figured it better me tell him than him hear it from she. So I just did tell him, and I told him via text message, which is not the way to drop news like that to your dad. I told him via text message, and I know it weird, but could I feel some level of disappointment through the phone, you know, because me and my dad, we're different. But I'm just glad it's passed. Marla is 3 years old. I was in my 20s. So it's not like I got pregnant young or nothing like that. It's just they don't expect y'all to get pregnant no time, so don't even start, okay? Yeah, but that's how I dropped that news. Okay, so my girl Re_Melanin says, hey, so I started my channel 2 months ago and I tried to be consistent, but there's so many factors affecting me from doing videos. Like, I always be comparing myself to others, from video quality to subscribers to views. Now I'm here demotivated, but I really want to do this because I have women that I need to empower. How do you keep consistent? How do you grow your channel? How do you do it? Okay, it's getting dark. All right, consistency is all about research, because and this is going to be repetitive, but somebody needs to hear it. Consistency is all about research. You have to be consistent in the sense that once you know what to bring to people, you can consistently bring it to people. So it's all about research. It's all about planning. It's all about figuring out what I'm going to be bringing next. So when you bring a video this week, you should already have next week's video planned and ready to be edited, you know. So it's that type of thing. You have to plan, and planning is how you're going to execute things properly, because once you plan it, you know, its execution is easy breezy. But definitely staying consistent is all about research. It's all about planning. Just go online, figure out what you want to bring to people. Sit a lot. Like, okay, so I have a little notebook. I got 2 books. This is my appointment book, because if I don't write it down, baby, we ain't got no appointment. And this is my book that I plan my YouTube stuff. It's just a regular little notebook, nothing special about it. Marla take it and mark it up. Said full of be a marking it and them someday. But when I have time to myself, I sit and I gather my thoughts and I write them down in this little book right here. Because if you don't write it down, your thoughts are going to be all over the place, and when you think you have material, you have air. It's literally nothing up there. If you should put it on paper, you'd be so surprised. So sit at least once a week, write down your plans, write down your goals, and you'd be so surprised. Like, literally, you would be so surprised, because majority of the things that we plan and we try to do, that's why procrastination is such a huge thing, because we don't iron out things in a solid way, if that makes sense. We don't solidify our thoughts. They just keep floating around in our brain, and I suffer from that a lot. I'm a big procrastinator. I procrastinate a lot bad, and I've gotten a lot better over the years. Like, toward the end of 2019, I've really improved. I've worked so hard, and it's just all about having your shit together, having your thoughts together. Once you have your thoughts together, like, executing is easy breezy. So staying consistent is all about, and you guys think I'm consistent. What if I was actually being consistent? I swear, this is not me being consistent. If I was consistent, sis, I would have had my play button. So I think it's really cool you think I'm being consistent. I try, and that's what is important. You have to put the effort in. I really, really do try, and I commend myself for trying so hard. But yeah, that's it. Consistency is all about planning, and once you plan, you can properly execute. For the last one, my girl Melinda, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. My girl Melinda Nalidik, I think she's African, don't quote me on that. Okay, so she's like, hey NaturallyMsToya, how are you? Sorry if I'm being a bother. It's not only about the video. I wanted to ask, because she was asking me about my locks and stuff. I heard you say you're in school and you also have a baby. How do you balance all that and still excellent in school? Because I'm also in school and I can't seem to balance both well. And I was like, you know, I need to answer that in a video. How to balance them both. Planning. I'm gonna even laugh, guys. This is so serious. If you're not plan it, you have to plan. You have to know what you're going to be doing tomorrow from today. Because if not, you're just going to end up messing everything up and falling short somewhere. You sure as hell can't fall short in being a parent. You know, you can't fall short in any aspect of your life. So it's all about planning so that you can properly balance. Because if you give too much attention to one thing, it's going to tilt the wrong way, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, it really is just planning. That's the best advice I can give to anybody when you're going to do anything. Plan it out. Once you plan it out, you'll know exactly what to do. You won't be confused, because you won't be wasting time wondering, oh my god, what do I do now, you know? But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, so that's the end of my Q&A. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to be as transparent as possible, and I want to tell you guys, you will be seeing a lot more transparency from me on my channel this year. So I'm warning you now, that may be a good thing for some. I really don't see how that can be a bad thing, but I want you guys to understand me as a person more on my channel, because I consider myself not an average YouTuber at all. So yeah, I just want you guys to know that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Q&A and you want me to do another one and you have more questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. As I said, that video, that collab idea, if you want to collab with me, let me know down below. Drop me that thing I said to add. I don't remember what I said. That you want to collab and put a little heart. Yeah, you guys can do that for me. If you're not subscribed, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go pick up Marla now. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.